50,000 naira is not too small for your business. So federal government of Nigeria is actually giving out 50,000 naira grant for small businesses. And when it is grant, that means you are not paying back. So welcome everyone to Digitex. If this is your first time of coming across our channel, do well to like, subscribe, and make sure you actually drop your thoughts in the comment section of this video. And if you have any problem concerning this grant, drop it in the comment section of this video. So this grant is called Conditional Grant Scheme for Micro Enterprise. So this is a grant, it's not a loan. And when you look at what grant is all about, grant is simply a money or resources given by an organization like government, foundation, or company to an individual or group for a specific purpose without requiring repayment. So this grant, you are not required to pay. So it's a conditional micro enterprise grant to support small business, and essentially the federal government of Nigeria is giving out this grant, and a lot of people actually benefited, I think last year if I'm not mistaken. So for this program, it's actually created with the aim of granting of giving grants to nano business, that means small businesses, for workforce support and to ensure that they can actually procure equipment. The scheme is a government initiative designed for micro enterprise offering financial assistance under specific conditions to support their growth. According to the documents we have here, the aim or the something of this business is to actually make sure that at least the person actually employs at least one person. So now, then the benefit of this, participants in the conditional grant for micro enterprise receive financial assistance tailored to their business needs. The nano business get a sum of 50,000 naira grant on the condition of employing one person in order to encourage what? Job creation with 50,000. So like I said, the aim is to actually make sure they're employing just one person, and the grant is to support businesses. You get the point? Then the question you might be asking yourself, how can I apply? So for you to apply, I'm going to drop the link in the comment section and the description of this video so that you can apply immediately. And the registration process is very simple. So when you come to the website, you see register interest. So when you click on register interest, you'll be asked to provide your first name, email, business, phone number, then business name. So my business name, Digitex Value Added Professional Service, then CAC number. A lot of you might actually have a problem with CAC. So if you are yet to have CAC number, you can simply go to CAC website and actually register. Then you ask for some documents of details. Then you make sure you actually supply. The register is actually simple. So then the industry, if you're into trading, into business center, or any business that you might be doing, and if it is digital marketing, you can indicate it there that digital marketing. Then the year you year in business. So then click on register. It's as simple as ABC. You get the point? So I believe that there are going to be a kind of a selection process or details where you have to input your details. So the registration is simple, provided that you have your CAC registration. So I want to know, are you satisfied with the requirements, or what do you think about this grant by the federal government? Because I've already seen comments of people asking me if it is loan, maybe they are going to repay, but you are not paying it back. It's a grant. It's a grant. So once you're able to supply your details, believe you me, I believe that you are going to get the grant. You get the point. So let us know your thoughts in the comment section. And if you have problem with this registration, drop it in the comment section of this video. On this channel, as long as it will make you money legitimately, that is the update we are going to be dropping on this channel. Make sure you subscribe and join our Telegram channel. See you at the top.